Morning everyone. Today I want to introduce myself. So my name is Pandiana Dudhanendra. You guys can call me Nadu. I was born in Bogor on 11 January 2010. My personal background. My previous school I got into Kesatuan Junior High School, and I live in Taman Yasmin Bogor. My hobby is playing games with my friends because it helped me to release the stress that I got. So I got interested in academic section, especially at math, because I think I have some potential here. My role model, the first person that I idolize is Tony Stark. I idolize him because the way he solves a problem is really smart and genius. The second person that I idolize is my best friend. His name is Hakim. The reason that I idolize him because in his young age, he really is smart and really inspiring me. The future hope. My future hope for the future is, I think I really want to get into my dream university, and to achieve my dream, I need to study more harder and be active in class. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.